It's the biggest ape, the biggest whoop, man. It's 218 Ivo, man. We back at it again. So here's how it's gonna go. We got a 5.7 Charger or Challenger, man. Quick little tips, man, to tell you how to do it. Long tube headers, cam, throttle body, go to air intake manifold, catalyst mid pipes. 6 main things you need to get your car performance like a scat pack. When I mean cam, I mean a camshaft. Don't cam your car. If you want to cam your car, it's gonna give you a little boost, man. It's gonna get you up there between scat pack levels. You can do that too if you want to tune it as well. It give you upgrade your horsepower. It's about cutting your exhaust pipes off just because you want the sound. Sound doesn't mean you're gonna push harder, push faster, man. You want to keep up with your next opponent, or even with your friends, man. If you're doing long runs over front of you on the drag strip, man, for sure. I know a lot of people have done it before, man. I like to actually do what they know how to do. And this is just a quick tip, man. If you got extra little money, man, the top bid for all these that just listed is less than $3,000. Probably $3,500. Depends which ones you get. If you go the cheap route, less than $3,000. But y'all boys got it, man. That's just a quick tip, man, for the day and how to build your car. Appreciate you.